team. Kasi alam nyo, tulad ng sabi ko, yung journey namin, mula nung nag-debut kami hanggang ngayon, sobrang challenge namin. Kasi maraming mga challenges, maraming mga parang hindi namin naasahan na akala namin minsan, diba parang tumatagilid na ako matatapos na yung grupo. Pero nandiyan kayo parate, para supportahan kami, to keep us together, and not just SB19, but 18, of course, and SB19, mula ikalawang yugto. Maraming salamat po. Napakarami pong challenges. Ken, baka may gusto ka sabihin ko.
Of course, kaya sabi ni Justin kanina, this one is our biggest. So definitely, and I hope na mananatili ito sa lahat po ng puso at saka sa isipan ninyo. This one, I'm pretty sure. Okay, Jack, may sabihin ka ba, Jack?
Layo mo naman, bro.
Alayo mo, bro. Tawagan kita.
Gusto ko lang i-share na yung nabanggit nga ni Josh from ikalawang yugto. Since nag-start yung ikalawang yugto, binungad agad kami ng challenges. Nag-start with, nung nirelease namin yung one, nag-pandemic. And then after that, ang dami namin ginawa. Tapos, nagkaroon na naman ulit ng malaking problema. Parang buong journey ng ikalawang yugto talagang puro challenges. But despite those challenges, binibiyayaan pa rin kami ng opportunities. Nag-viral si Mapa, nag-viral si Gento, andyan kayo, patuloy yung dumadami. So yung journey na to talagang something that we can never forget, and sana sa inyo rin, hindi nyo kami makakalimutan.
Dumating sa amin as a group and individual. Maraming bagong experiences, challenges. Pero isang bagay na
Oo nga, no?
kayo yun. Samantala ang buti ng pagsasama natin. Sana naging masaya yung journey natin together. Let's create more memories together, let's see. Let's make more memories together.
Alam ko lang ito.
Kaya pa nakakatawa.
Look in your eyes, I can get enough, I may never get it. All brown babies tonight, it's so not too. Okay, stay in the moment and hit my focus. Nagagawin ito, hinintayang ka na focus. Kahit pa matumpa, so hindi ko na hininda. Layo pa, ganda, layo na. You're the one. I'm feeling like an ecstasy. Got me in a mess. When I'm with you, jumping down.
Come on, Exit!
Underneath the spotlight, baby, dancing all night. Feel the prettiest dimples up on the ground. Off the memories, so hold to it. We be going on and on and on. Even when it's dark, it's lights me down. The only you that I have ever done. I really think that you can be the one. Stuck on the line, and me now. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only girl I ever touched. But you ain't beautiful. Sabi ko pa nung dati ayos na mag-isa. Bakit pa sasalamat ko sa mga binigay ko na.